Introducing our different size healthy sleeping aid equipment anti-snoring solution devices. Designed by Xiamen Yizhou, this Snore 586 model is a must-have for adults seeking a peaceful night's sleep. With its transparent, breathable, and food-grade material, our set of full premium anti-snoring nose vent sleep aid device guarantees a snore-free slumber. Available in custom colors, this convenient dental health solution is brought to you from Fujian. Place your order now with a minimum quantity of 5 sets, and enjoy various payment options including PayPal, Western Union, and TT. Say goodbye to snoring and hello to a well-rested you.